Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Point. In this video we are going to we have another instrument. This is a micrometer. This is the digital micrometer. In this video we are going to check how to calculate manually, because this is the digital micrometer. Now we are going to check with manual calculation. Okay, now as you see, first we have to make it 0, so that we can check this is what is the tolerance is coming. That's why we have to make it to 0 position. Okay, now the part of calculation. Now we are going to calculate manually for digital micrometer. Okay, how to calculate manually? We have three data. We have to add all three numbers A, B and C. In A we have to look in the index line. From the above index line we have to see the data above the index line. Is there any number? We have to check all the number. There is numbers from 0, there is 4 line, after that 5, there is another small 4 line, and after that 10. As you see in the above index line, above data, as you see 0, 5, there is small 4 lines, after that 10, after that 15 up to 25. Okay, this is up to 0 to 25 mm. After that in B we have to look directly below. If there is a line below the index line, add 0.50. If not available, we cannot add that number. Okay, we have to check carefully. After above index line number, we have to check directly below the index line number. If available, we have to add 0.50. Otherwise we cannot add. And the third is C. In C we have to check the index line. There is a number 0 to 45. Okay, in the digital micrometer, and that index line number we have to multiply that number with 0.01. As you see in the digital micrometer, there is a number 0 to 45. As you see, there is a number 0, 5, 30, 45, 40, 10, like this. We have to multiply this number with 0.01. After that we have to add all three ABC, then we found the exact number. Okay, we have to multiply this number with 0.01. There is a 3 point for calculation of manual calculation of digital micrometer. We have to check the data from above index line, and then after that we have to looking directly in below index line, and that one add to 0.50. and third one we have to check the number, index line number, and that number we have to multiply that number with 0.01. Okay, now we have one example. Now we are taking one example. As you see, we are keep it with 6.900. Okay, the digital in display, as you see, there is a number 6.900. Then now we are going to check calculate manually. First, in A we have to check above index line number. Okay, as you see, after 5 there is one number, one line. That's why 5 plus 1, it means 6. In B we have to check below index line data. Is there any line? We have to add 0.50. Okay, there is a line, that's why we have to add 0.50. In C we have to check the index line number. As you see, there is a 40, that's why that 40 multiplied by 0.01. After that, for total we have to add all three number. 6 plus 0.50 plus 0.40, that means all is calculated to 6.9000. it is exactly matching with our display number, digitally number. That means our data is good. Okay, now we are going to test another example, example number 2. Okay, in this example, now we have to set any reading. As you see, there is coming in the display, there is coming 8.800. the answer is 8.800. okay, after that we have to calculate manually. As you see, the answer is 8.800. okay, now in A we have to check the number from above index line. As you see, 5 plus there is 3 line, that's why 5 plus 3 equal to 8. In B we have to check below line, below index line, is there any line? Yes, there is a line, that's why we have to add 0.50. In C we have to check the number, that number is 30 multiplied by 0.01, that means 0.30. we have to add all three number, 0.50 plus 0.30 plus 8 equal to 8.800. that means it is exactly matching with our digital display, and that means our calculation. Thank you everyone for watching Creative Point. Keep connecting and watch new creative videos. We are going to upload new creative video. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching.